Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into eclipse. 10 verbs with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Outstrip, which means exceed. Outstrip. For example, demand far outstrips supply. Number 2. Trump, which means surpass something by saying or doing something better. Trump. For example, if the fetus is human life, that trumps any argument about the freedom of the mother. Number 3. Transcend, which means surpass a person or achievement. Transcend. For example, his latest bout of bad behavior transcended even his own worst excesses. Number 4. Exceed, which means be better than. Exceed. For example, Brazil far exceeds America in available fertile land. Number 5. Outdo, which means be superior to in action or performance. Outdo. For example, rich families tried to outdo each other when banquets were held. Number 6. Excel, which means be exceptionally good at or proficient in an activity or subject. Excel. For example, she excelled at landscape painting. Number 7. Top, which means exceed an amount, level, or number. Top. For example, losses are expected to top £100 million this year. Number 8. Outshine, which means be much better than someone in a particular area. Outshine. For example, a single large houseplant can outshine any number of ornaments. What do you think of these synonyms? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Moreover, you can follow the channel by hitting the subscription button.